Ever pondered on the mysteries of the universe? Ever wondered if life exists beyond Earth? Well, Epsilon Eridani, a star system not too far from our own, might just be the place to start that exploration. Discovered in the constellation Eridanus, this intriguing system is only about 10.5 light-years away from us, making it a prime subject of interest for astronomers and researchers alike. Epsilon Eridani, affectionately known as Ron, is an orange dwarf star. As a main sequence star of spectral type K2, it's smaller and cooler than our Sun. But it's got its own unique charm. And it's not just the star that's fascinating. Epsilon Eridani hosts an exoplanet, Epsilon Eridani b, a gas giant with an orbital period of roughly 7 years. Beyond that, Epsilon Eridani boasts an asteroid belt, thought to play a significant role in the dynamics of the system. And that's not all. There's speculation about potential habitable zones in the system, places where conditions might just be right for liquid water on the surface of orbiting planets. Of course, these possibilities still require further research and confirmation. The Spitzer Space Telescope has been instrumental in studying this system, revealing the structure and composition of Epsilon Eridani, including the presence of dust and debris. Astronomers employ various methods like radial velocity measurements to detect and characterize the exoplanets in this system, contributing to our understanding of planetary diversity in the universe. Epsilon Eridani also holds a special place in our hearts, being the fictional home star system of the Vulcan planet in the Star Trek series. And like any star worth its salt, Epsilon Eridani shows variability in its luminosity, possibly due to magnetic activity on its surface. Understanding these variations is key to accurate assessments of its planetary system. As technology advances, this captivating star system continues to be a target for future astronomical studies. Who knows what we'll discover next? As we continue to gaze at the stars and unravel the mysteries of the universe, Epsilon Eridani stands as a beacon of what lies just within our reach. It is a testament to the vast potential of the cosmos and our ongoing quest to explore it.